If there isn't dog hair in your food, I feel sorry for you. Hello friends, and welcome to another video. My name is Chloe. I go by Seashady Hill here on YouTube and Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram. And today I'm actually here to show you one of my favorite vegan recipes. I'm dating a professional vegan chef. My boyfriend has been vegan for over 10 years and he's actually on his way over, so he's gonna help us make this recipe so I don't mess anything up. We're gonna be making vegan fried rice, which is a very, very easy recipe. I'm sure any of you could do it. If you are a child, which I don't think many children watch my channel, but if you are, please don't do this without supervision. I don't know why I said that. I've never said that before in any of my other videos. Anyway, I hope you really like this meal and you can discover a lot of other really great vegan meals that are really not that hard to make. So let's just do the thing. Thank you. Okay, so let's talk about the ingredients. First, you're gonna need some chips and salsa because you're gonna want a snack. I'm just kidding. That's not part of this. I fooled you. Well, I'm so sorry. I should not have lied to you. But okay, let's get real. First, we're gonna need some rice. If we're making fried rice, you need rice. We use this kind. I don't know much about this type of rice. It's Jasmin Rice. Oh. Cooking rice can be scary. So this is already cooked. It's easy. You just pop it in the microwave. This is 2 servings. You're also gonna need some type of meat substitute. We like to use the Gardein chicken strips, plant-based chicken. You can use any type that you like. You don't even need this. You could just use vegetables only, according to the chef. You're gonna need ginger and garlic and just egg. You will also need sesame oil and soy sauce. A cup and a half of peas and carrots, frozen. I told you this was easy. And then I have this weird thing where I'm obsessed with mayonnaise. So I have my vegan mayonnaise and I'm gonna mix it with some hot sauce and make spicy mayo to put on top. It's very important to me, but totally optional. First, we're gonna take the chicken. I'm gonna use this whole bag. We're gonna take the whole bag of chicken and we're just gonna dice it up into bite-sized little pieces. We're gonna take about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and heat that up in your pan while you're getting the rest of the stuff ready. High, all the way up. Okay. That good? A little more. That good? Now I'm gonna cut the rest of the stuff. I don't know about you guys, but it always freaked me out to cook meat. Like, scared that it wouldn't be cooked enough and I would make myself sick. So that's a great thing about being vegan. You don't ever have to worry about that. Okay, I'm gonna take my little piece of ginger and peel it. I'm not very good at this. And then if you've ever chopped garlic, you should be familiar with this technique. And then you're gonna take 2 cloves of garlic.
It's really up to them, you know, however you like garlic, use a lot of garlic.
Whoever garlicky you like your food to be. And do the same thing to that. You also don't have to use fresh garlic and ginger. You can use a jar of it or something.
One's good then.
He says one's good, okay. it becomes aromatic, then you add the chicken or the fake chicken. The light above my stove does not work. We deal with it. 2 to 3 minutes in the pan. Stir it occasionally. Stir it frequently. Stir it as much as you need to. You want to make it a little crispy around the edges. Oh, we turn the heat down, by the way. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm just mentally preparing myself for the next steps. And that is when we take the frozen vegetables and then we add the garlic and the ginger and you saute, is that the right word? And you saute them for, what, like 2, 3, 4 minutes? 2 minutes? 3 to 5 minutes?
Depends how tender you want your vegetables.
And then that's when we cook the egg, or scramble the egg. The egg. So now that the chicken's ready, we're going to save as much oil as we can, so just plopping it in and just transfer it over to a separate bowl. Why am I so bad at this?
Do the best you can. It's just cooking.
It's just cooking. So I'm just gonna set this off to the side. And then we're gonna add 1.5 cups of our frozen vegetables. Right in the pan. Sorry, I added too much. Don't be like me. We're gonna add this. And then you're just gonna let this do its thing for like just a couple minutes, really. Not long at all. Just until the vegetables are at your desired consistency. Once the vegetables are cooked, then you're gonna take your egg substitute. Don't forget to shake it up. And then you're gonna push all of the vegetables to one side of the pan. And we are using medium-high heat. And then we can just add as much of the just egg as we feel is appropriate. I like a lot. So I try to use about half the bottle. I used a little more than half. And then you just have to scramble the egg like you would a normal egg. It's not hard at all.
Yeah, the just egg is very similar to a chicken egg.
Very similar to a chicken egg. I turned the heat down because I was nervous.
Then what, babe?
Oh, once the egg is cooked a little more solidified, then we can start adding the soy sauce. You're gonna wanna add probably about 2 tablespoons. Yeah, 2 tablespoons. And then taste it once you add the rice, and then you can add more if you want to. So see, it's kind of already cooking on the bottom, so we're just scrambling it.
Funny thing about this recipe.
Tell me.
It's a not vegan recipe that we just veganized.
Oh yeah, that is so easy to do. People think being vegan is so difficult. It's actually really easy, especially with all the substitutes you can find of, especially with all the substitutes of regular food items you can find. It's so easy to just take any recipe and make it vegan. And then I'm just gonna add some soy sauce now. Mix it all up. That is looking really good.
So once this is all cooked, then you're gonna add everything back in. You start with the chicken. Chicken's cooked. Mix it in. This is the biggest pan we have, but I recommend a bigger pan.
That would definitely make your life a lot easier.
So yeah, it looks pretty cool. Very good. We make this almost every week.
I was about to tell them that.
Yeah, now you add the rice. It's already cooked. This is, I believe, 4 cups of cooked rice.
And we'll definitely have some leftover. We love leftovers. Probably gonna need a little more soy sauce.
Yeah.
the hardest part.
So you gotta remember the rice, nothing seasoned really, so.
Can you do this for me, babe?
Yeah.
The professionals help.
You wanna add the soy sauce here?
While Keith is finishing that really hard step, I'm going to make the spicy mayo. Here's my hot sauce. Yes. Is it hot?
We're gonna test it here for quality assurance. How do you like it?
Mmm.
Nope.
I think it's very good. I don't think it needs anything. Just spicy mayo. Yeah, I just have this thing for mayonnaise. It's disgusting, I know.
It does.
I don't know why I love it so much. I want you to do it. Check out this really douchey thing Keith just showed me. Oh my gosh.
And then you want to impress your douchey friends. Pack it in. You can use any mold or cup. Make sure it's nice and packed. And over to your plate.
Wow. Wow.
And then what I would do
Oh, nice.
something like that.
What is that?
This is dulce flakes seaweed. Very high in iodine.
Okay, let me do my plate now. Okay, this is my version.
Fancy. Where'd you learn that?
And then you can't forget. We gotta mayo it up. Yeah.
Look how good it looks. It's shiny. It's salty. It's oily. It's delicious. Bye, Chloe.
Okay. Thank you for helping me.
You're so welcome.
If there isn't dog hair in your food, I feel sorry for you. I love this meal.
God is love. God bless.
God bless. That's our vegan fried rice recipe. I really hope that you all enjoyed watching this video. I hope you try and make this fried rice. If you do make it, let me know how it turns out. Let me know if you love it as much as I do. Oh yeah, I'll put the recipe in the description for you guys. I love to do that. If you enjoyed this video or you have seen some of my other videos and you like them, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. You can comment on this video, like it, and you can share it with all your friends if you want. And if you'd like to talk with me about being vegan or any vegan stuff, I'd love to talk about that too. Just comment below or message me on Instagram. All right, I hope you have an amazing, beautiful day. I hope you enjoy your meal, and thank you so much for watching. I love you. Take care. Bye.